Hi guys, FX Shipper speaking. We're back with another video, guys. So today we're going to be analyzing GBPJPY, guys. So let's just get into it without any waste of time. So we are on a daily time frame, guys. So now what's gonna happen is that we're going to be looking for what? We're going to be looking for where we're trending, guys, right? So when looking at this, guys, I personally I'm seeing a downtrend, guys. I'm seeing a downtrend. So I'm going to do what? I'm going to align or connect my my lower highs, right? So basically what I'm creating here, or what I'm making, I'm trying to actually get a channel from the trend. So that is why I'm actually using our that is why I'm using trend lines, guys. So now I'm going to align my lower lows, right? And as you can see, guys, we having few touches there and there. So now it's time to do what? To actually plot my support and resistance, right, guys? So when you actually be looking for resistance and a support, you actually check the levels where there are so many touches, right, guys? So I have a killer zone at this level right here, guys. There's a killer zone from here. This is what we call a killer zone. Why? Because it's actually aligning together with with this right here. As you can see, it's more like I have a what? I have a head and shoulders, or a triple what? A triple top. Let me quickly show you this level right here. This level right here. This looks like a what? A triple top. But then what's happening is that it is doing what? It's actually a triple top that is on a downtrend, as you can see, right? So this actually went all the way down, and what is happening right now is that it's actually a retest to this neckline right here. It's a killer zone, right? It's called a killer zone because we are within the downtrend. But again, it's a what? It's a neckline. That is why we actually gonna be looking at this area right here, and then from the retest we're going to do what? We're going to be looking for sales. So that is why it is very important, guys, to know what patterns. So now what's happening is that we're going to actually be looking for our what? Our support, the strong levels, guys, and the closest level, right? So what's going to happen is that we're going to identify also on this level. This level is also strong. So if we were to buy on this level where it is right now, this will be our first take profit, and this will be our what? This will be our second take profit, right, guys? So now let's go to a what? A smaller time frame. So the reason why we actually looking for sales, guys, as you can see, we have a what? We have a downtrend. Number two, we are at a what? At a killer zone, which is our resistance. At the same time, it's a neckline, right? So another reason why we actually be looking for sales is that we are actually we actually retesting on the what? On the killer zone. So let's go to a what? For our chart to see exactly what is happening. So within the what do you call this? Within the 4-hour chart, we can see that we are on a what? We are on an uptrend, guys. You understand? We are on an uptrend, as you can see right here. We are going all the way up, as you can see. So what's going to happen is that we're going to draw our what? Our trend lines. We're going to try to what? To connect our higher highs within this. At the same time, this is called trends in trends, guys, because now we have a bigger trend on a daily time frame, and at the same time we have another trend within the 4-hour chart. right guys? So we're going to just try to, you know, align our, you know, lower our higher lows and our higher highs, since we are on a what, we are on a uptrend. So this is what's happening right now. On a 4-hour chart, we are actually, you know, in the what do you call this, we are actually going all the way up, right? So now what's happening is that we're going to identify strong levels within this area of you know, the channel, right? So now I see this level right here, and as you can see, this level is very strong, guys, right? This level is very strong because now the price after it got here, what happened? It went all the way up. So now this right here, it looks like a head and shoulders. So for us to be able to know exactly what it is, we have to go to a smaller time frame so that we can actually see what is happening. But my advice to you guys is that before you can actually, you know, enter the trade, what's going to happen is that since on a bigger time frame we're looking for sales, is that you're going to have to, you know, wait for what, for the price to break this level, right? After breaking this level, what's going to happen, we need to wait for a retest here, and then boom, we're going to go all the way down. You understand, guys? So let's go to a, what do you call, a smaller time frame so that you can actually see exactly what is happening. I'll go to 30 minutes, right guys? So now the pattern is much, you know, it's actually clear to see, right? Now what's happening is that what I'm seeing right here, I'm seeing something like a what, like a head and shoulders, right guys? So basically what's going to happen is that I'm going to actually highlight the highest point of my left shoulder, right? So this is where I'm going to actually highlight at this level. Let me remove this because, you know, they're messing up the chart. Also this level right here, right guys? Let me adjust this thoroughly right here. So basically what is happening right here, guys, is that I will be waiting for the price to do what, to actually come to this level, and then that's where we're going to start be, you know, looking for our what, for our entries from this level right here. But if it breaks above, we're gonna have to wait for a retest. You know, it's gonna have to break. Let me just show you guys. It's gonna have to do this, guys. For us to look for buys, what's gonna happen is that it has to break, retest, and then continue. You understand, guys? So now right now at this moment we cannot be looking for what, for buys, because it didn't break that level. So we're going to be looking for selling opportunities. So what's going to happen is that we're going to sell from that level, you know, back to the intraday. You see this level right here, it's also called the intraday because now this is where the market actually, you know, closed yesterday and opened today. You understand, guys? So that is why we're actually using period separators, for us to be able to understand, you know, what happened yesterday. We look at the yesterday's move. This is yesterday's move, right? And then we actually trade based on that. So now it has formed something like a what, a head and shoulders. So what's going to happen is that we're going to have to wait for us to have you know, confirmations right here. When it comes to confirmations, we can have a small head and shoulders right here. We can have a double what, a double top, and now we do what, we go all the way down. So it's all about patience, guys. We have to be a bit patient. What's happening is that we're gonna have to wait for it to actually give us confirmations before we actually enter the trade, right? You understand, guys? So this is, you know, my setup, how it looks like. So basically what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna try to align, you know, my higher, you know, my higher lows right here. So what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna wait for it to break and retest. So in the other words, the breakout and the retest is going to be a double top. Then that's where I'm going to enter my sells, guys. You understand? So yeah, let's just be patient and see, you know, how it's going to play out before we can actually be looking for our sells. So yes, guys, thank you very much, guys. I hope you're going to kill this one. Let's be profitable, guys. Peace out. Tango.